There's a point where it tips, there's a point where it breaks, there's a point where it bends, and a point we just can't take anymore. There's a line that we'll cross and there's no return. There's a time and a place, no bridges left to burn anymore. We can't just wait with lives at stake until they think we're ready. Our enemies are gathering, the storm is growing deadly. Now it's time to say goodbye to the things we loved and the innocence of youth. How the time seemed to fly from our carefree lives and the solitude and peace we always knew. There's a day when we'll fight and we're not gonna fall. There's a day when we'll stand and a day when we won't crawl anymore. There's a moment in time where there's no going back, when we're pushed too hard and we won't hold our attack anymore. We can't just cling to childish things as evil just grows closer. Humanity's in jeopardy. This fight is far from over. Now it's time to say goodbye to the things we loved and the innocence of